memories po about kay Tita Pilis po?
Nung magkasama kami noon, before pa, siyempre, siya ang Asia's Queen of Songs, diba? Minsan, pag nagre-recording kami, she is so nice. Palagi niya akong pinapaalalahanan na ilabas mo yung point na recording.
Oh, yes.
Ilabas mo yan. Ilakas mo. Yes, she's so funny. And she's really very lovable. Well, I will never forget her because she made us all very happy. Not only here in the Philippines, but she's known as Asia's Queen of Song. And she's the only Pilita Coretta.
Kapalagi po
And
nung
I love her.
gano'n po kalaking kawalan sa industriya ang pagkawalan po?
Malaking kawalan kasi nag-iisa na si Pilita Morales. Kaya palagay ko, hindi na pwedeng maulit yung magkakaroon tayo ng another Pilita.
What is your first reaction when you heard po na sa makabubuan? How do you know about
Of course, I was saddened. Kasi hindi ko naman alam na she was really sick, no? Kaya, well, of course, since Jackie Lou is very close to me, kami ang nag-usap. Kaya, well, I know that she is in a better place. She is with God. Kaya, she's there, up there, looking at all of us right now, down here. And I would say now, God bless you forever, even now in the afterlife. God bless you. I'm so happy that you are with God.
Ang saka po, ang kinagandaan, hindi siya nahirapan, ano?
Yes,
Yung
she died in her sleep.
Yes, na parang napaka-peaceful po daw po yung pagkamatay po.
Yes.
Yung question.
Okay.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.